Finding a frying pan that combines the ease of nonstick cooking, the durability of stainless steel, and the heat distribution of aluminum is no easy feat. Enter this HexClad 10-inch hybrid nonstick frying pan, a revolutionary kitchen essential designed for home chefs and culinary enthusiasts alike. Known for its unique hybrid technology and unmatched versatility, the HexClad frying pan is more than just a cooking tool. It's an investment in efficiency, flavor, and convenience. Who is the HexClad 10-inch hybrid nonstick frying pan ideal for? Home chefs, for those who appreciate quality, precision, and a professional cooking experience. The HexClad is perfect. Busy families. With its scratch-resistant surface and dishwasher-safe convenience, this pan is low maintenance and easy to clean. Eco-conscious cooks. Its efficient heat distribution reduces the energy required for cooking, making it a great choice for the environmentally conscious. Food enthusiasts. Whether you're searing steak or gently sautéing veggies, HexClad's hybrid technology provides excellent versatility. Key features. Patented hybrid construction. Combines stainless steel, aluminum, and a laser-etched non-stick hexagonal surface. Universal compatibility. Works on all cooktops, including induction, and is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Celsius. Durable, scratch-resistant design, tough enough to withstand metal utensils and frequent use. Stay cool handle, comfortable grip that remains cool even at high temperatures. Lifetime warranty. HexClad stands by their product with a lifetime guarantee. Patented hybrid technology, best of both worlds. What sets the HexClad frying pan apart from the competition is its patented hybrid technology. By layering stainless steel and aluminum, HexClad has created a pan that heats up quickly and evenly, eliminating annoying hotspots that can ruin your meal. The laser-etched hexagonal non-stick surface allows you to sear meats, sauté vegetables, and cook delicate items like eggs without worrying about sticking or burning. With HexClad, you get the best of both worlds. The searing power and durability of stainless steel, combined with the easy cleanup and reduced oil usage of non-stick cookware. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, which often degrade over time, HexClad's hybrid construction ensures it maintains its non-stick performance, even with regular use. Versatility for every cooking style. The 10-inch size of this HexClad frying pan is ideal for a wide range of dishes. From a savory stir-fry for two to a solo meal of grilled salmon, the HexClad pan handles it all with ease. Its flat bottom and even heat distribution make it an excellent choice for sautéing, frying, browning, and even baking in the oven. Since it's compatible with all stovetops, including induction, you won't have to worry about switching out cookware when you move or upgrade your appliances. The pan is also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Celsius with the lid, making it perfect for recipes that require stovetop-to-oven transitions, such as finishing a frittata or braising meats. Effortless cleaning and durability. A common pain point with many frying pans is how quickly they wear down and the challenges of cleaning them after heavy use. HexClad solves this with its durable, scratch-resistant surface that's dishwasher-safe. You don't have to worry about scratching the pan with metal utensils or scrubbing away burnt residue. The rivetless design ensures no food particles get trapped, making cleanup even more straightforward. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the HexClad pan's design accommodates various cooking techniques while providing durability that lasts for years. It's crafted to resist warping and denting, maintaining its shape and performance even after countless uses. Stay cool handle for safe, comfortable cooking. One of the details that makes HexClad cookware so user-friendly is the stay cool handle. Many pans heat up entirely, making it tricky to maneuver or adjust while cooking. With HexClad's Stay Cool handle, you can confidently move your pan from burner to counter without needing an oven mitt, enhancing safety and convenience. Lifetime warranty. A true investment. HexClad cookware backs their product with a lifetime warranty, making this frying pan a lifetime investment in your kitchen. If any manufacturer defects occur, HexClad's customer service is quick to address them, providing peace of mind that you're purchasing a reliable and long-lasting product. Final verdict, is the HexClad 10-inch frying pan worth the hype? The HexClad 10-inch hybrid nonstick frying pan offers more than just stylish looks. It's a powerhouse of functionality. By combining the best aspects of stainless steel, nonstick, and cast iron, this pan allows you to cook almost anything with ease and precision. Its durability, scratch resistance, and easy cleanup make it a standout choice in the crowded cookware market. With HexClad, you're not just buying a pan, you're investing in a culinary tool that will elevate your cooking game for years to come. If you're ready to experience the convenience and quality of the HexClad 10-inch Hybrid Nonstick Frying Pan, click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this kitchen upgrade today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.